Today we will discuss about GeM, how to update the payment details in GeM. For that, first we have to log into GeM portal. This is the login page we will receive. Once we log in, we have so many options here: dashboard, market, bids and purchase requirements. This is the login details. Here we have to click on dashboard. Okay, this is dashboard option. In dashboard option, here bills will be there. Here so many things are there: GeM available report, my dashboard and bills. Here process bills, payment confirmation, previous financial year orders. So there are three options. To update the payment data, we have to go to process bills. Click on process bills. Here you will see how many bills are there overall. For example, I am selecting from November month up to here. So this is the list. Out of that, once the purchase department has initiated, then only we will get here. These are the things previously options, whether bill drafted or created, or what is the status of bill, that we can see here. Now we want to update the payment details, so we will go to pending bills. So here in pending bills, overall pending bills will come here, irrespective of the time, irrespective of the period, all pending bills will come here. So for example, this is a GeM bill of January month, like this is June month, this is February month. So many bills are there. If it is in pending because of some other reasons, it will show here. First we have to update the payment details, then it will not come here again. Okay. Similarly, next option, if there is anything is there, it will come under next option. Actually there is very little bit from our side. Once they initiate it, then only it will come here. For example, see, this is July bill. After there is no next, there is no previous button. Very few bills are there. Once the purchase department initiated, then only it will come for payment mode. Okay. Show bills. Invoice number, these details will come. This is we already paid through normal mode, tally mode. Here in payment status is pending. To make it success, we have to click on process bill. So click on process bill, the detail will come here. Then final bill. Already the same data we received manually, they printed and given to us. We updated and we paid to the vendor as mentioned here. So sales final bill. That amount we will re-verify with tally. Once we verify that, we have to click on, we will get an OTP. For that OTP, again there is a login, email.gov.in. There we have to log in. Once you log in, you can refresh that for OTP. Okay, we didn't get any OTP. 417. This is to confirm that C has been created for order number. There is no GeM OTP. We will click on for getting the OTP. Once we receive the OTP, that we have to enter here. There may be option called resend OTP. We are trying the resend option. Now we received 2 OTPs. This OTP we have to paste here. Why? Because this payment, all people cannot do this payment. So the authorized person has to enter through his OTP. This same OTP will be received by the person in his mobile also. So we are just pasting that OTP and verifying that. So now the bill verification part is done. So whether you want to pay directly through net banking, you click here. Or you can, if you already paid, you click on here. And here they will ask how you paid the bill. So for that, you have to open tally. In tally already paid no. So now we will go to tally and enter the vendor name. The vendor name is GeM Solutions in this case. So I am just logging to tally. Admin, my password, and then I will check whether it is paid or not. So it is paid in the month of October. So now I will update the data here. So for updating, I paid through PFMS. I need this PFMS number. Now we got the payment details. Now we will update that. So here they asked whether you want to pay through internet banking, check or DD, NEFT or RTGS. We paid through PFMS, Public Financial Management System. So we entered other option. Voucher number, We entered in tally for the payment now. The details we have to enter here. The voucher number is 1006. That we can see here. 1006 is the voucher number on 11th October. Transaction number. Transaction number in the sense the payment details. That you have to copy PFMS transaction ID. But normally it is UTR ID. For our case we have PFMS, so we entered that PFMS transaction ID. And they asked the amount, the payment date, that is very important, payment date. That is we are updating through PFMS 2020. Okay. The amount is already received, but we have to check whether the same amount we paid or not. 91,155, 91,155. We already paid the same amount. Remarks, if any, for example, there is any discount, we will mention here. Because of that, we reduce the amount like that. So I am clicking on pay. So pay in the sense this is just updated. So we updated the payment. Similarly, there are some other bills. These things we have to update. Okay. If you want to see some other options, we can see here products. What are the products available in GeM, and services. Some other services. Browse all categories and browse all products. So if you go to computers, here we can see what all computers are available in GeM. These things we can purchase. We can decide whether it's compatible to us or not. If it is compatible, then we can purchase this. Okay. Similarly, there are other things like administrative, MSc, startup, financial things and all. So these things we have to select. Okay. In products, there are the option of browse all categories. Here you will get all the data. Okay. The remaining things I will explain in my next video. Okay, thank you.